Welcome back, guys. Today we come up with an iPhone trick which really helps everyone. We all have a lot of contacts in our iPhone. But organizing the contacts in iPhone is really a wanted thing, but most of us forget to do it. So let's see how to organize your iPhone contacts simply. Here you can see my contact list. It's really being messed and I will show you how I fix it. First, go to your App Store and download the following app. MC Backup. Here you can see the app I'm downloading. It's the actual app you have to download on your iPhone. App is downloading. Here we go. If you open the app you will see the following tips for the first time. Read the instructions carefully here. Now you can see the duplicated contacts and details under Duplicate tab. Click Duplicate Contacts. You will see the duplicate contact details. You can see all the duplicate contacts from your iPhone. Click the merge icon on your right corner. It gives an option to merge. You can enter the desired name and save, or to merge all contacts in a click. Select Merge All on bottom. It will merge all duplicate and clean the duplicate contacts in a second. That is it for this video. I hope it will help you and meet you all soon with another trick. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like button. Feel free to give your comment below. Thanks for watching.